Okay, in VCarve 11 or 11.5 we can do this. Alright, so I've got a door. This is a 300mm door. 300mm from there to there. Can't see on the mouse, so I'll just pull out a little bit. From the outside border to there is 300mm. But if I want to make a door 400mm, I would normally just copy this, so I keep the 300 door. But if I click node edit and I select everything, okay, so I get a node edit on everything there. I can now select just the top nodes, these on the top, and you'll see them all turn red. Okay, and I can now click the properties of one of them, and I can make that move, just say for instance 100mm, and apply it, and that has now stretched my door to 400mm. Right, so I've now got a 400mm door instead of a 300mm door. I could do a 500mm, 600mm, 635, whatever, just by moving this section of the door upwards. Makes it really quick. So it leaves the whole door, it leaves the hinges and everything all in the same place. So the hinges, all of the machining features that we need are all in the same place. Okay.